easier solution to solve the problem.
Yeah, the color of the pump on the
I also noticed that the larger horsepower pumps come now 3 wires only. Is that because they can't miniaturize it? They need that power to start?
that power to start.
Okay. Maybe next time we'll test a 3-wire pump to see what happens on it. The only difference I can see is when you start. You get that juice on that one red wire.
Red wire is the start wire. And then you like just get to those starts and get it going, and then it drops out and you're still going. 230 volt power on it.